Oh God.
What do you call this one, Bernard?
Hả?
What do you call this one?
Kêu mấy gì mà lên chi?
This one, what do you call this one?
Kêu mấy ở cái sáng mà
Ảo làm khá nó. Không xa làm.
phong sa làm Phật.
What's that? What's that? Beef? It's beef?
Lẩu à hay à? Lẩu à?
It's beef,
Hay à
Bernard?
hay à hay. Nói chờ đấy giờ mà như vậy nè.
Which one?
Cái chili sauce cái anh này.
Đây, mai miếng người ta hả? Đây.
Đi tảng hổ. Thì ăn sao là chuyện á. 我都係啊。
Thank you for this Ito yung the best chili. Homemade.
Dạ áo bà thịt à, dạ áo bà thịt. Này tắn phải, này chặt chứ đấy. Đi hỏi lấy bên個？睇嘢好咧。
我嚟過邊。
睇直播電話咁樣好危險㗎。
It's like the chili, Granddad. Promise. In Taipo have this kind of shop. I found it in Taipo. Just only this one is nice. Chili. In Taipo. Ay, lumuhuyat ko. Ayun eh.
Mình đi cô Tài Phụ.
With Ate Lorna.
Hả?
With Ate Lorna. When we do it hiking.
Đúng rồi. Wow. Không tăng Tài Phụ.
Yeah.
Long way nữa.
Yeah. 3 hours hike.
Killing me.
It's nice, Granddad. Not so hard, that one. In Panling. A lot of breeze. It's not so sunny.
Thế à?
Right?
Nè đây ta sẽ halo mga sapat.
Ay, gusto ka na? Lagi mo yung anak mo dito, te. Simple lang pero ang sarap.
Nakayatan mo yung mga lalaki. Nakayatan ba ng yakas? Yun na una.
It's the first time I order like this. This one is not soft enough. This thing, this one. Want to try that?
I knew it's not soft, that's why I'm not ordering it. I'm too interested in it.
You know it, of course. For how many
My
years?
teeth can't do it.
I'm ready. You want some radish, Nanda? Huh?
No,
Rama, you want some? No, thank you.
I want gravy.
还有那个冰装，冰装啊，这个没有冰装啊。冰装有些人冰装好像我们是工作婆，就来看到你。
Maganda ate yung ano, yung hotpot kayo, nalalabas. Yung mga restaurant ng hotpot ngayon kasi malamig.
Hot and no. What's hot and yo?
Kasi hotpot, tapin daw.
Tapino.
It's nice also.
Last night. You do tapino last night.
No, granddad, just I roast chicken and potato.
Half cooked chips, is it?
In oven, I cook in oven. It's hard to handle, granddad, if it's cooked on the pan. Wow, chili is nice though.
I choose the yellow one, that is mean.
Huh?
Mean.
Yeah.
You choose the white one, topan.
Oh, fun, yeah. Okay. You like meat, I know you too.
I like that one, the white one. How fun. Are you okay?
Hot. Oh, chili. Hot.
Maya. Oh, Maya.
Right.
Yum ko. Oh, yeah. Papa is always do like now for you, eh?
Yeah.
The head.
Because you give him the meat. You know. Then he try help on like that.
I think it's just single that one. The owner pizza that dog. No husband, just single.
Long story.
Oh, okay. You need to say.
Dạ bán xóa.
Are you trying or you're just
When you say Mrs. What is that? Mrs. Meng, and then laughing,
Mr. Clyde.
and then laugh.